Hello, happy Earth Day. This is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, and I have to tell you, I remember Earth Day #1. So I was a college freshman, and I went to Denison University in Granville, Ohio. If any of you here are, Ohio folks. And I remember walking out in the quadrangle, and there were all these big posters and banners about Earth Day, and we were so excited. And the concept of, recycling your tin cans, like that was a big deal, right? And we wondered, was that ever going to catch on? And I remember from the first Earth Day, there were lots of good speakers talking about clean water, about helping your health, um, recycling, everything, right? And at the time we wondered, well, I wonder if they'll have another Earth Day. So here we are 50 years later, right? And I am wearing green, pretty much green, in honor of Earth Day. I almost wore my hair in like braided pigtails, but decided, that's what I wore back then, but that's a little different than now. All right, I'm going to give you a couple of recipes. And let me tell you that if you want a booklet, an ebook on green cleaning, I'm happy to send it to you. Just instant message me and give me your email, name and email, and then I will send you along the ebook. Now, why am I, as a psychologist, interested in green cleaning? So let me go there first. Number one, it's really important for our brains. So there are 80,000 different chemicals out there that are used, whether in cleaning products or skincare products, and only 200 of those have been studied. So 200 are considered, well researched, but 80,000 are being used. And if you ever notice on the back of your bottle of whatever you use to clean your bathroom, do not get in your eyes, do not ingest, do not get near your child or your pets. Okay, so they are toxic. So you might be saying to yourself, yeah, but I need something really strong to get rid of viruses and bacteria. There are a lot of ways you can get rid of them without creating a toxicity in your own body. For many of these chemicals, they have neurotoxic effects. So it affects your neurological system and your brain. And that is why I am totally interested in it. As some of you know, years ago I had a traumatic brain injury from being in a car accident. I do everything I can to reduce the toxic load on my body, but especially my brain. So I don't want to be spraying something in my shower and then realize, hi Praveen, how are you? And realize that it's something that's going to be difficult for me, right? Something that's going to create a toxic reaction. By that I mean difficulty breathing, brain fog, a chemical that will not be processed well in my body. So the first thing I want to show you, so I'm interested in doing this as a psychologist because I think it's very good for your brain to do green cleaning. The second thing is that it really improves your mood. I use essential oils mixed in with my green products. So not only am I cleaning with something very safe and pure, I'm adding an essential oil which will have an uplifting impact. So much better to use pure lemon essential oil than a fake type of air spray. So, all you need is an empty bottle. Glass is the best. So the first thing we're going to do is make an air freshener. Just open it up. And since I'm doing this live, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put in 3 drops of peppermint. Most people have peppermint, and if you don't, let me know. I'll tell you where you can get it. 6 drops of lavender, okay, and 6 drops of lemon oil, right? So 6 of lavender, 6 of lemon, and 3 of peppermint. fill it to the top with water, give it a shake, and then spray, okay? Now, imagine how safe this is compared to those plug-ins, which are very toxic. Actually, when I go into a store or a restaurant that has them in their bathroom, it usually makes me cough. So you want to look into that. It is pure chemicals, all synthetic, even if they say they smell like roses. Trust me, there are no roses that were used in them. So make your own air freshener, okay? You can use this recipe. You could make it, one of my favorite oils is bergamot, also called bergamot, and it is what's used in Earl Grey tea. So you could put that in your bottle, add a little bit of lemon if you want, make whatever spray you want, but please do not use the plug-ins, right? They're not good for you. So remember, as a psychologist, I do the green cleaning because it's good for my health, good for my mood. Now, the other one, I'm going to try to show you here. I don't know how this is going to work. So let's say you're like, hey, I'm going to clean in the bathroom, and let's use a toilet bowl cleaner. Those are also, if you've sprayed them and you're standing near it, you're getting all those fumes. And remember, it goes in your nose, into your brain, to the amygdala of the brain. Wearing a mask could help, but it's not going to get rid of all those fumes. Sometimes it'll, even if you've got like glasses on, it'll go in between, get in your eyes. So not a good thing. But let's say this was your toilet bowl. And to clean it, I put in a little bit of baking soda. Again, easy, right? Real easy. You've got that in your house. And I will give you the direct proportions. A little bit of salt, right? Then the next thing is I'm going to use what's called tea tree oil or melaleuca and put a couple drops of that in, because tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, right? It has many, many good properties. So, and then the next thing, it's also anti-parasitic. I mean, I could go on and on. The next thing is with the spray bottle, and I have in here just vinegar. So in the spray bottle, I'll just spray. I figured it was better to do this here than in the actual bathroom. And so it'll start to foam up. You can't see it too well, sorry. But it'll start to foam up. That's what you use to clean the bathroom, to clean the toilet with. You may want to know that lemon is, I'm going to read this, good for your immune system. It's antiseptic, antifungal, and antioxidant, antiviral, that's important right now, and very refreshing. It cuts grease. So one little oil, which does not cost much at all, and it does so many different things. So send me an instant messenger message and let me know. I can send you the ebook that I use, which is on green cleaning. Included with that, I'll also list what are the essential oils that are antiviral, which is very helpful for us all to know right now. And if you have questions, you can post the questions there. So happy Earth Day. I will see you tomorrow at 3. I had to go on a little bit early today because I have a health coaching client that I'm seeing in just a couple minutes. So take care. Bye, everyone. And I look forward to hearing from you.